Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app. Let's tap on it, and right now we have to switch to the video mode. So just tap on this video, and since you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So we can change the resolution using two different ways, using this option bar or using the settings. So let's begin here on the second position from the left. We've got the resolution, and here we've got, let's say, only the names of it. So we've got 8K, two different types of 4K, FHD, also two types, and HD. All you have to do in order to change the resolution from this level is to tap on the option like to set. So I will pick 8K, for example. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, here we've got the information that this recording is intensive, and your device probably will be a little bit warmer than usually. So simply tap on OK, and as you can see, we've got another icon which shows us that we just changed the resolution. If you'd like to check the details of it, just tap on the settings here in the left upper corner and tap on the video quality. And as you can see here, we've got all options which we had on the first panel, on the option panel in the camera, and here we've got also the particular resolution and the frames per second. So of course you can change the quality, the resolution right here also. Just tap on the option like to set. So let me pick, for example, 4K, and it is notified right here. So it means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.